Ooh. Wow! So strong water. Strong flowing. Unbelievable. Good morning, everybody. In my rice field, but me so dry, no only water in my rice field. So today I want new idea, a circuit tip for pure rinse my rice field because it's so dry. And how I make it, I will show you. Let's go to see with me. Rồi hả? Rồi. Oh, and you can see in this river has a lot of water, but in this place no electricity and no motor machine. So I will use my tip my tip to pull or to cut the water from the river to pure my rice field. Did I show you? Okay, right now let's go to see with me. Today so hard. So right now I start to install. I start to connect between pi to pi. Yes, we call input pi, right? Input pi. Input pi. Did we use with the 60 millimeter, right? With the big one. Yes. Okay, but all of you don't forget shooting when we you connect between pi to pi. Don't forget use the glue to connect it. Make sure no any linking, any purple is can come out or go in. Okay, right now start to connect it with me. Okay, and this glue, make sure like this. Hammer it. And I use a big one, a long one to connect from the river. Okay, and right now I connect it already. Connect from the deep river to this drum. Okay. Now I start to connect the output pi. Output pi and input pi the same in this project, right? With the 60 millimeter. Okay, now I start to connect it. I use screw to pan in and out and insert each hammer. So I this is air pressure. Air pressure. And now I install air pressure. Use the screw. We have to close the end of in output tie to store water before we process our bridge. Okay, now done. Okay. Right now let's go to check with me. Okay, now I start to wrap it with the plastic. Add dustbin here. Okay. The last wrap with plastic, the end input pie, fold it, make sure it's strong. Okay. The water is so clear today. Okay, go to be check. Oh, I cannot go up. Okay, I left already here with metal drum, and here's I done. Okay, go to check it. Done. Okay, here done. I left already. And here the same. I left already. Okay. And now I go to fill the water to the metal drum. Okay. Now I have one basket. So here you can see a big drum. But first, before I fill the water to in this drum, I have to open small valve here. Small valve here. Make sure during we fill the water to in this drum, have the press or have the air is can come out by this hole, right? I will fill in this pipe. Okay, and now I start filling. Wow, full! Right now full! Okay, full. I have to close properly. Make sure no linking here. Okay. And then I wrapped it with a plastic here. Okay, done. Now I set up heads on already with wraps by plastic. Done. So I fill water already. So I go to open the end of the in output pipe. Okay, go. Okay, and now it's too tight here. So after I open after I open it, I will go firstly to open the input pipe. Okay, now I start to open it. Quick! Whoop! 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 Wow! Okay. I start to open it. Oh! Whoa! Wow! It's sucking! Wow! It's straw sucking! Oh! Okay, go! Wow! So straw water! Straw flowing! Unbelievable! Straw water, unbelievable. It's good for my life here. T-shirt. It's good for my life here. But right now you can see the water flow a little weak, not strong at first. Wow. It's good. Wow. I successful. I got it today. Okay. Now I will go to check. It. Okay, we'll hold it tight. Go, take it easy. Okay. Wow! It's the foam. Wow. It's the foam, right? You can see. Unbelievable. But the water is still flowing. It's still sucking from the river. You can see over there, sucking from over there. even it deform, but it's still process, it's still working, right? But all of you have to remember when you use this kind of drum, it's easy, right? It's easy deform because it's not solid or strong. Even it's a metal drum, right? When if we use a solid metal drum like this, metal drum or solid, it's easy to use because it cannot deform. But wow, it deform. We cannot continue use it more. Okay, I go to check it. It still work or not? I will check it. Wow. Wow. It's strong sucking. I will retie. Okay, retie it. And how does it suck? Can see how does it suck. After I will take some leaf to show. Okay. Oh. Ooh. You can see the here, right? Sucking sound. Oh. It's so strong. Ah. Wow, it's so strong sucking. Wow, it's so strong. It's so strong. I will take it to show. Okay, how does it shock? How does it shock? Oh, it's big. Wow, strong sucking. Okay. Okay, it's so strong. Okay, it's still sucking, right? It non-stop. So, okay. So now, okay. The last, I would like to say thank you for all of you that you see my explanation. I installing. So. I want to say thank you for all of you that you see my video. Hope to see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.